friends, welcome to one more session of Biz Talks of Rotary District 3141. Friends, I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon by profession. I am also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 for the 2021 Visionary Year. Friends, Biz Talk is a unique, hot from oven initiative. It's a brainchild of District Governor 2021 Sunil Mehra. Biz Talks is also an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference to the community. Friends, our guest for the day is Rotarian Hiten Nagar, a M Civil Engineer by qualification and building material manufacturer. He has more than 24 years of professional experience and has worked with major corporates. JJ Flyover is one of his contributions to Mumbai. He's a 100% building material provider for real estate and infrastructure projects like metro, coastal roads, DFCC and MTHL projects. This solid and robust Rotarian with a captivating personality will take over the reins of Rotary Club of Mira Road and be the president for Visionary Year 2021. Hiten.
Namaste, good afternoon. I am Hiten Nagar from Rotary Club of Mira Road.
Hiten, we've heard a lot about you from your co-presidents, from your assistant governor, about how jovial a person you are. Let us know a bit more about you on your personal front.
Sir, I am born and brought up from Baroda, district from Gujarat. And I have been to Bombay from 2000 year for the construction of JJ Flyover. As far as my personal friend, my father is a retired from ONGC as Senior Director of Maps and Drawing, and he stays in Baroda. My elder brother is an entrepreneur and businessman in HVAC. He is into ducting and false ceiling business, and he is also upcoming investor in real estate. And myself staying in Mira Road, and on my marital status, I am basically as of now separated, or now a new word has come, Atmanirbhar.
And you are all beaming with positivity. And Hiten, I know that you are one of those people responsible to gift us the JJ Flyover. But let us know something more about your work, your profession, your business.
As per my basically a civil engineer by graduation, done from Baroda only, MS University. And as per my work, I worked with corporate companies like Gammon India, Unitech, K. Raheja Corp, Kalpataru, and India Bulls. And from last 6 years, I am into a sort of a marketing partnership with my brands called Ultramod Sand and Atrium Concrete. We are making legal sand instead of using the river sand, which is an illegal mining. And with our sand, metros, MTHL projects, DHF project, infra projects, real estate, Rustomji, all such a big builders are taking our material. And our ready-mix concrete goes into the municipality, all road works, and we are still in the lockdown also we are doing the concreting. So I have total 24 years of experience in this construction industry and doing well, and I am well-known, renowned person also in my industry.
That is great, Hiten. In fact, there is something positive out of every meeting that we are getting. For example, you are so much into construction material, and we've got so many builders in Rotary, and Rotarians always have a habit that they love to work with Rotarians because they are the ones whom they really trust. I am sure there will be many more people who would love to be working with you and would like to associate with you in their profession also. Now, Hiten, coming back to Rotary, you have taken up a very important post in Rotary in the coming year. More than you taking the post, it is probably that your club has found you the best possible person to take up the post, which is the most premier post of the club, and that is the president of the club for that particular year. I'm sure you are having your plans, and I'm sure you are absolutely prepared for that. Would you like to say something about your plans for 2021 for District 3141 and for Rotary Club of Mira Road?
Sure, sir. I am happy to my Rotary Club of Mira Road that they have found in me a leadership skill and to be eligible for presidency. I had joined Rotary on 2018 July, and today I am going to handle next year. I am going to handle this presidency. My all plans are in place, and I have not done planning only one road. We have plan A, plan B, and plan C. If COVID is going to exist and if the outside gathering is not possible, we have that plan also. We plan if COVID is allowing, we have to live with COVID and do the projects. All my projects have been planned and well budgeted, and we definitely any sort of the cyclone, the COVID, any sort of disaster management is coming. Still, we will be doing very much experience. We have 7 senior experienced people also into the district team. So our club is 25 years. We are celebrating our silver jubilee also this year by praising each other, because we cannot do any gathering, but still we are 25 years old club, and our each member is like a 10% army. So definitely things are there, and we will be also looking for good projects to do from the district also.
So Hiten, these are lovely plans, and your club, you have been one of the privileged ones to get the presidentship of a club in its 25th year. I think that this is something which is really prestigious, and I'm sure you'll do lots of justice to it. And to your club, to your district, you have your responsibilities, but with the confidence that I'm seeing in you, I'm 100% sure that your year is going to be a marvelous year for Rotary District 3141. So congratulations on taking up the position, and best of luck for the year ahead. I, as the chief coordinator for the year, is at your beck and call. Whenever you need me, just a phone call away, and we'll ensure that district supports Rotary Club of Mira Road to the maximum in this year 2021. Thank you, Hiten, for being with us.
Thank you.